Are you a blogger and have written a lot of posts but still not getting viewers? Or you just starting your new blog and wanna know how you can attract more and more visitors to your blog post? Then don't worry and stay tuned with us, because in this video we will share 5 best and proven tips to improve traffic on your blog post. So let's get started. The first one is the SEO tactics. SEO involves best and proven practices to make your website more Google friendly. Also, there is no rocket science is needed to be an SEO expert and to optimize your website. Even it is so easy that anyone can optimize their website without hiring any expert. For this, you can take help of various SEO plugins and tools like All-in-One SEO, SEO Press, Yoast SEO, and lot more. The second tip is to write catchy titles. An attractive title gets more clicks and stand out, whereas a boring one is always ignored. So, title is really important. Whenever you are writing a title, always keep in mind that your title is something that triggers sentiment of users, like why they should read your article, what they will get by clicking on it, and something like that. It is something that offers value and rewards to the users. It is something that promotes content with target keywords. Also, you can take help of free headline analyzer tools for creating better titles for your blog posts. Moving on to the third one, which is keyword research. Keyword research actually helps you in understanding your target audience and your target market. It provides you specific search data that can help you to know about what people are searching for, how many people are searching for it, and in what format they want that information. Now the next important question is how you can start doing keyword research. For keyword research, there is a variety of free keyword research tools to gain prominence with search engines. For example, Google Correlate, Google Keyword Planner, and Ubersuggest are some of the keyword research tools which are free and you can take help of. Now the next tip is always create valuable and comprehensive content. While writing content for your blog, always remember that content is the king of your blog. So the focus must always be on creating valuable content for your audience. And for writing this type of, the king type of content, you need to follow some steps. Like first of all, you need to locate your audience. You should know who your target audience are. Once you find them, then start making active attempts to reach them. Then you need to develop your content strategy. Identify the core topics around which you need to create content and always make your content unique. Then create content that is relevant, means something that your audience understand and can relate to. Now the next step is to make your content interactive. If you want to increase your social exposure and get more followers, you need to make your content interactive. Interactive content tends to compel readers to engage, participate, and share more. Now coming to the last but not the least, our fifth step is to focus on readability. It is important part of your blog post, because if your content is not readable, then it will turn off your readers. To improve your readability of your content, you should write content in small paras and small sentences, so it will leave plenty of white space and it will be easy to read and look. Next, you have to improve your typography, and also you should check readability score using SEO plugins with built-in readability checkers. You can use grammar checker tools like Grammarly, and you should use screenshot, images, videos, and other visuals to make your article engaging, readable, and more attractive. So these were the 5 tricks for improving traffic on your blog post. We hope this tutorial helped you in understanding what you need to do now for getting viewers to your blog. So don't waste a moment, do work on your part, and using these tips make your blog post the trending one. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. and press the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever we upload our next video. Thanks for watching.